Buenos días a todos, espero que todos estén bien. En este video vamos a hablar sobre cosas importantes, no solo para este semestre, sino también para esta semana. Okay, so good morning everyone. My name is Stephanie Gonzalez. I am going to be the instructor for Spanish 1312, Elementary Spanish 2 at Tamusa. So here for fall 2020, we are on right now our Blackboard site. And I wanted to go over a few important things for today, as well as things you'll be using throughout the course. So if you head over to this left-hand side here, you'll see on our syllabus, we are under syllabus, we have two different important documents. First, our syllabus for the course and the textbook registration. So when you click on the syllabus, it pops up with information about the course, my name, office hours, textbook, descriptions, learning outcomes, and also it goes through different netiquette examples and ways to interact positively and constructively, not only with your instructors, but also with your classmates. Okay, since this class will be fully online, okay, so you have this information here about how to work successfully using netiquette. Okay, something that is very important to consider, since we're going to be doing this class virtually, it is asynchronous. That means that we will not have a specific time that we meet. We only have activities, homework, assignments, assessments, etc., that we complete throughout the semester. Okay, so because we're not meeting at a specific time, it's your responsibility to review email and Blackboard weekly for the videos or announcements that I post. Any videos that I post, please make sure you watch them in their entirety. And if you have a question, then after watching the entire video, please email me for clarification. And please note that during the business days, right, during the week, allow for 24 hours for a response, okay? Bien. So because remember, we're going to be working on these assignments asynchronously, so we're not going to be meeting specifically. There will be certain assignments that are going to be due throughout the entire semester. We're going to be talking about these assignments now. They're going to be submitted either through Connect or Blackboard, okay? And you'll have the assignment dates in advance. As such, no late assignments are accepted. So this breaks down the different activities, assignments, assessments, homework that we'll be having. Connect is going to be worth 45% of your grade. Okay, you're going to have two different types of Connect activities that you complete. One will be tareas and the other one will be Learn Smarts. Okay, we'll have two writing activities throughout the semester. In these writing activities, you'll have a rough draft and a final version. We'll talk about these a lot more in depth, as they happen. There will also be 3 quizzes that you complete in Connect with a Partner. The final exam is going to be an individual conversation with myself. We have the culture project, as well as an interactive assignments that you complete. Here you have a link to the academic calendar for this semester, as well as some counseling resources. Okay, so this is the syllabus. The course outline I'm going to be posting separately, and I'm going to have a separate video that goes over that for your review. When we go back to our syllabus page, it takes us here to the textbook registration. Here's the page that you have that goes to Connect. Okay, and it gives you the information, right? So this is the course that we are this is the textbook we are using, Puntos de Partida, 11th edition. This is my information, the section that it is, the dates you can access it, and how you will begin is you will go to this, you will click on that link, and it takes you here to begin registration. Okay, in order to do that, please make sure that you're entering your Tamusa email, your Jaguar email here into this text box. Okay, don't use personal emails, don't use multiple emails, because that makes it a lot more complicated for me. because it will start to list you under different types of emails, and then your grades are scattered in different accounts. So just make sure that when you do sign up, you only use your Jaguar email and only one email, okay? So that is how you will sign up for Connect, and it will take you here. Okay, this is what the Connect looks like. We are in Spanish 1312, Spanish 2, Fall 2020. Okay, this is my instructor view. So you'll see that you already have some assignments set up. When we go to student view, this is what you'll see when you log on to Connect. Okay, so notice here you have on this side the course materials, right? Here is the textbook for the course. When you open it up, it gives you access to the entire textbook. So you navigate yes, and you can go through the different sections, right? Chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. You'll see here, this is where I'm going to put my lectures. And then any additional practice will be here, which is Learn Smart. We're going to have those activities, okay? So you have 2 assignments already. These are going to be due by Sunday at midnight. And then let's go through and check them out. Okay. So here, it tells us what it is. This is worth 40 points. Notice that it is part of your tareas. You do have 2 attempts to complete this, but this one isn't as difficult as some of the other tareas are going to be. This is really just watching videos to make sure that you understand how to use Connect. Okay, so you'll submit that. I'm going to save and exit. And that's going to be your first homework assignment. And here you can see we're going to be also going to Learn Smart. So I really like Learn Smart because it helps you to understand different concepts. Learn Smart also, if you'll notice here, it says we have 27 items left. So it really won't let you stop until you get those 27 items completed at 100%, okay? So this one tells us, ay, perdón, ¿dónde está Nicaragua en el mapa? So this map is very, oh, here we go, we can zoom. ¿Dónde está Nicaragua en el mapa? What we have to do is we have to find Nicaragua here in this map, which we can open larger. So obviously, you may not be familiar with the countries. This is really just practice for us to understand how to use Learn Smart, but also getting practice with knowing where are these Spanish-speaking countries, what are their capitals. Okay, so we have different options here, A, B, C, y D. And I'm just going to say, you know what, I don't know which one is Nicaragua. Maybe it is C. That's what I'm going to guess. So I'm going to say that it's C, and I'm kind of unsure. Oh, and it tells us, well, I was wrong, right? He's incorrect. The correct answer was B. And if you see here, Nicaragua is this one, which is B. So you'll notice I still have the 27 items left. I have to get 27 correct. Okay, now it tells us I have to type the answer in a box. I have to figure out here, blank es la capital de Chile. So the capital of Chile, I think it is Santiago. I'm pretty confident. I'm going to say I think so. So my answer is correct. I go to the next one, and it has given me now 26 items left. So you keep going until you get those 27 items. So what is la capital de Cuba? Let's say, I don't know, it is San Juan. We're going to guess, right? I'm unsure. It tells us, nope, I'm sorry. The capital of Cuba is La Habana. So I keep going until I get the correct answer. ¿Cuál es la capital de Ecuador? Ecuador, well, we know it's not La Habana. Maybe it's Asunción. I'm a little unsure. Oh, I missed it. It was Quito. Okay, so you just keep going until you get the 27 items correct. Okay, so that is how we use Learn Smart. It's a great tool, and it will typically always make you get 100%. So it just helps improve your grade overall. Okay, so that is the biggest thing is you need to get registered for Connect, complete these activities that are your first homework grade. Okay, I'm going to go back to our course, Spanish 2. And also I am going to be posting another video that discusses the course content. You see, I have already included different items here. So just be on the lookout for those videos. Make sure you get registered for Connect. Make sure that by the end of the day, you should register for Connect today. And by Sunday, you should be working on the exercises for Connect that we have here, the videos and the Learn Smart. Okay? If you have any questions, please